Take a break from your daily monotonous schedule. Welcome to Anandadhara Natural Farms. Rediscover the natural way of living. In our very busy daily schedule, we have forgotten our roots, our true nature of being a human. We have exploited our mother nature so badly that now she is feeling exhausted. It's high time to revive our mother nature. Come and explore the true nature of being a human. Sound of nature, naturally grown food, harvest green energy, and overall the simplest way of natural living. Come and fall in love with nature. Anandadhara Natural Farm, the natural way of living.